How to create a game pass in Roblox, please donate. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to create a game pass on your please donate stand or please donate Roblox. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, in your desktop or in your mobile phone, simply go to Roblox Creator Hub. After that, here you can see many options. Then here simply click onto your place. Now here you can see simply click on leave app. Now here again click on your place. Then here just beside the dashboard on the top right left corner you can see 3 horizontal bars. Simply click onto it. Then here you can see an option named passes. Simply click onto it. Then here you can see an option named create a pass. Simply click onto it. Then here simply enter the name and description. Let's write something random. After that, on the description as well. After that, simply click on create pass. So in this very simple step you could create a pass in your please donate. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.